Alright, welcome back to my channel where math is made easy. So today we're going to be looking at solving absolute value equations. Alright, now we're going to dive right into it, but before we go, remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share this video, and like this video. Alright, now let's go. Now the aim, one thing you must note is that your absolute value cannot be a negative value. All right, it cannot be equal to a negative value. So I want to put that out there before we even go any further. So let's go. Number one, these bars are the absolute value. It means absolute value. All right, so x minus 4. Now when you have your absolute value, you're going to write it to two equations. You're going to write two equations where you move the bars. So that's x minus 4 is equal to 6. So you're writing it equal to the positive and negative. All right, and then you have x minus 4 equals to negative 6. All right, so when solving your absolute value equations, you must have two solutions. Right, so we're going to solve these like we would have solved regular equations. So that's plus 4 plus 4. So x is equal to 10 and x is equal to negative 2. Notice I would have gone through this a little bit fast because I really want to show you something, especially with number 3. This all you're doing is moving the bars and writing your two equations. That's a key factor, writing your two equations. So you're equating what's inside the bar to the positive of the next side and also to the negative of the next side. All right, and then you just solve it as regular equations. So our solutions would have been x is equal to 10 and x is equal to negative 2. Let's move to number 2. Remember I did say your absolute value cannot be equal to less than 0. All right, so this, if you have something like this, it's a no solution, just looking at it like that, because your absolute value cannot be equal to less than 0. Now let's look at this one. If you notice, we have multiple steps. Our aim is to have the absolute value part of the equation on one side by itself. So we're going to get rid of our 10, so that's a plus 10. So that's cancelled out. I'm left with that, and this is going to be a 6. All right, and once you get it to this stage, then you're going to take it where you have your two equations. So that's now 3x plus 9 equals 6 and 3x plus 9 equals negative 6. All right, and then we solve as regular. So that's minus 9. So that's going to give me 3x equals negative 3. Now remember, this is multiplying by 3, so I'm going to divide through by 3. So I'm left with x is equal to negative 1, and over here, so that's going to give me a negative 15. That's cancelled out. 3x equals negative 15. Again, we're dividing through by 3. That's 3 into that, that's 5. X is equal to negative 5. I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.